There we go. Good.
Both fighters still very fresh.
Good.
The second round.
Sige, banat.
Again, McCoy is holding the ropes.
Kapit ha.
McCoy keeps on holding the ropes, partner.
I guess the referee should keep a close watch on him for that.
Kamayo. Nakakapit sa rope.
I guess he should be issued a warning pretty soon with how he's holding onto the ropes.
Go. Jo, bagsak mo na yan. Okay na yan, oh. Nakakapit sa ropes, oh.
McCoy, very sneaky one.
Padaya yun. Sige, go, go.
And he drops.
Good, good.
Reversal.
Wala yan.
He's in a triangle.
Go, go. Sige.
He's gonna push his shin into the knee.
Good, good, good. One on side. Bagsak mo. Stack up. Good.
And Jojo left.
Palo mo ka. Tuhurin mo na.
Jojo taking control of that side mount, partner.
Yes, and he's taking those elbows.
Paluin mo ka. Jot. Katayo. Paluin mo muna yung mukha, Jo. Good, good. Tuhurin mo tagiliran.
McCoy really trying hard to get out of
Go, go.
Taban.
Jo, taas mo pa ng konti ah, para mabigat ka.
And there will be reset to the center of the ring.
Base mabuti. Tuhurin mo yung tagiliran niya, Jo ah.
Jojo is in the side now.
Taas ka pa, Jo. Paikot ka dyan. Good. Good, good, good. Good. Sige. Pa.
It's very flexible.
Go, go. Go, good, good, good. Oh, ikot, Jo. Tanggalin mo yung paa mo.
Control.
Yan, good, good. Yan. Good. Taas ka na. Jo, tumaas ka. Good. Taas ka, Jo. Tanggalin mo yung paa mo, pa.
Very flexible. You can
Jo, tanggalin mo yung paa mo sa may paa niya.
change positions for the counter.
Yan, akyat ka. Jo, lumipad ka, taas ka.
Seems like
Paa mo nakabuhol. Yan.
the right arm.
Paluin mo yung mukha niya.
Isolated.
Tuhod. Baba mo ba yung ulo mo? Jo. Good. Makatagilid. Yan, pumak. O, hatayo mo na. Hatayo mo.
Jojo now.
Akyat, taas.
Taking control.
Paluin mo.
Again,
Jo, palo. Sige, palo.
Holding the ropes once again.
Palo. Good. O, kuha likod. Sige, palo. Panat.
they'll be reset to the center with Jojo on full mount.
Jo, ah. Full mount na yan, Jo.
I guess partner, masasabi mo yung advantage sa yung Jojo kasi pares ang pagod.
Taas, ah, Jo. Hatayo mo na yan.
Ang technique na napakita ni
Jojo.
Very technical.
Palo.
Grabe mga reversal.
Sige, good. Sige, good. Sige. Palo, yan, o, kuha na yung kamay. Kuha na yan. Good, ikot, kuha likod. Good. Okay. O, i-flat mo muna.
He goes back to full round.
Sige, good. Banat. Kamay, yan na yun.
Masasabi mo napapagod si McCoy sa
Sige, palo.
Oo, partner. Grabe
Good.
ang effort na pinapakita ni Makoy para makalabas
O, Jo, tapusin mo na. Sige, tapusin mo, Jo. Hammer! Jo, hammer! Dalawa. O yan, ambar na yan. Jo, kuha likod.
Pistol.
Choke mo na yan. I-flat mo. Sige, tapusin mo. Tapos na yan. Sige, i-flat mo mabuti.
secure the rear mount.
Paluin mo muna yung mukha. Palo. Good, yan, sige. Yan. Tapos yan, sige. Wala pa, tuloy. Wala pa mix. Tagilid. Yan, nag-tap. Good. Tap na. Very good.
McCoy taps out and Jojo Tabang wins this one.